Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Kimchi Nabe. It's pork and kimchi hot pot. I love all sort of hot pot. It's super easy to make, healthy, nutritious, and it's a great way to clean up your fridge or pantry. And this kimchi nabe is my favorite among all. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this kimchi nabe. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Your favorite vegetables. Today, I'm using nut pot cabbage, garlic chive, shimeji mushrooms, and some bean sprout. But you can use any vegetables you like. 1 pack of tofu, 400 grams of thinly sliced pork. Any part you like, but it's thinly sliced like shabu-shabu style. 400 grams of kimchi, 4 tablespoons of miso, 1 or 2 tablespoons of gochujang, Korean spicy paste, depending on how spicy you want to make it, and 1 tablespoon each of sugar, hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, and garlic paste. All the cutting first. Let's start with nut pot cabbage. Cut the core off. Cut it into half. And let's cut the bottom half into thin diagonal slices. Put it at the bottom of the pot. And the top half into 2 inches or so. Garlic chive. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half. Put them together. Cut them into half, put them together, and into half. Shimeji mushroom. Cut the bottom off. And just break it into pieces. And tofu. Let's just take it out from the package. And cut it into blocks. Let's make it into 8. I'm going to add these 3 later on. So let's just leave them here. Bean sprout. And kimchi into the pot. Hondashi, sugar, garlic paste, and 3 cups of water into the pot. That's 2 and 1. Cover with the lid and just cook it over medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes until all the vegetables are well cooked. I cooked it for 15 minutes. It looks like everything is well cooked. Let's add pork. Tofu. And shimeji mushroom. Put the lid back on and cook for another 5 minutes or so until the pork is well cooked. Pork is well cooked now. So let's add miso and gochujang using this small strainer. Miso and gochujang into the strainer. Dunk it in the broth and push it out. All dissolved. Let's add garlic chive. Lid back on and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes to wilt the chive. Looks good. These are totally optional, but if you like, some sesame oil and sesame seeds to add nice flavor. Kill the heat and it's done. Time for the tasting.いただきます。This is good. This is so good. Saltiness, spiciness, and sweetness are so well balanced and it's perfectly delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Kimchi nabe is the main, so I'm putting it here, but it's actually something we put in the middle of the dining table and share. The main is a soupy dish, so let's pass the soup here. After I finish everything in the hot pot, I'm going to add some cooked rice and beaten egg to make porridge, so no rice here. The main contains a lot of vegetables, so let's pass one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!